Let's start creating bed velvet material. Let's add a composite map. In composite map, let's add a bitmap. Select the bitmap and set this override value to 1.5. Let's add fall off. Add a point. Select this point and right click, Bezier smooth. Drag this curve like this. Right click and Bezier corner. Click and drag. You can see this effect. Also for the same, drag downwards. Let's duplicate this layer or add a new layer. Add same material 1.9. Same texture to set to 1.9 and go to fall off and change the curve. Right click, Bezier smooth. And make a curve slightly different. Hold and drag. Duplicate this layer and select the bitmap and set override to 2.5. and clear the fall off, and you can see the velvet texture. Adjust some curve. And go to bump map. Add a mix map. In this slot, add a bitmap. This texture. And then in this, you can add cellular map. Cellular. Let's increase the tiling. It will make shorter. Set to black and this set to white. And this chip size, circular size set to 0.001. And set mix amount. $50. It will blend this both maps. This is the bump map. We can rotate this 90 degrees. Or set this 0. Let's rotate to 90 degrees and increase the tiling. Decrease the bump and unlock the Fresnel to 2. And set to blend or micro FS GTL. Make the self illumination on and turn the multiplier to 10 or 50. Or you can click on 1 also. Add a blend material. Set a different name for both. Click and drag, make a copy, different name. Go to composite layer and re-import the map and set override to 1.2, decrease a little bit for variations. Fall off is okay. Let's set override to 1.6, makes brighter. You can set the increase the bump. And this blend amount, you can add this texture of this mask. You can save this variation.